Affiliate Marketing Guide: Endless opportunities await you. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, but it can also be very competitive with lots of people trying to market and sell identical products and services. This video contains a number of tips to expand your knowledge of affiliate marketing and help you to optimize profitable marketing techniques. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, ask if cookies are used to track sales and link customers back to the original referrer. Cookie tracking helps to track individual visitors that follow a link from you to the affiliate site. If they return to the affiliate site again at a later time to make purchases, you can still receive a commission. Target keywords and reviews that you write for the marquee products you will promote on your site. Create backlinks to the review you have written, and it will increase the search engine ranking. This strategy will target the people who are actually interested in buying things. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you must promote a product that is unique. You will have far better results promoting a unique product over one that is not unique, because a unique product is one that not many other affiliates will have. Therefore, you will have an edge on those other affiliates. Affiliate programs differ tremendously in terms of the services and payment structures that they offer. If one program doesn't seem to fit your revenue goals, then consider a different one with a different financial arrangement. Although there are many large affiliate networks, don't forget about the smaller ones as an excellent source of revenue. By implementing some of the affiliate marketing methods mentioned above and utilizing the advice presented in this video, you should be able to develop some killer affiliate marketing campaigns. Subsequently, you will be well on your way to succeeding in the affiliate marketing field and your monthly income will grow. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.